Ha 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 ha. Where other matoke call it banana lovers, sweet potato lovers, cassava guys. Today we are going to do peanut sauce. Call it groundnut sauce or recipe. That thick, delicious sauce that goes well with matoke, sweet potato, yum, name it. Guys, welcome to Fun Cooking. Join me and we do this. Well, guys, as you can see, we are going to need groundnuts itself, the groundnuts. We are going to need eggplant. I'm going to use one. Onion, one big one. A carrot, one. Garlic, one. And a quarter of a green pepper. We're going to need a pinch of Rayco or any curry powder that you have, and salt, and lastly you shall need water with you. So let us get started, guys. Let's get started. So for starters, I'm going to first cut these things, the ingredients, then we can mix our groundnuts. Okay, then. This is enough. Too much of the green pepper isn't so good in this particular sauce. That is enough. Garlic. Carrot. Just try to clean it a bit. Cut small pieces, very small. Eggplant, I'm going to peel the eggplant. Lastly, our onion. Make sure you put in enough onion. Onion brings out a good scent and taste in this particular recipe. At this point, guys, we bring on our Groundnuts. Bring our beautiful saucepan. Measure off. What you are going to prepare according to the number of people you're cooking for. I've divided this half into two. This is half. I have divided it into two. That means that is a quarter. You add a bit. Your hands are very clean because we are going to use this with our own hands, such that it comes out. This paste is thick. The stick can't do it well, the mingling stick. Pour in water, cold water, cool, not hot. Pour in enough. Bring your clean fingers. Start melting the paste or breaking it down. Totally, it all has to dissolve. Slowly by slowly. I'm going to add some water. It's very thick. It has all dissolved right now. It is just now, you can see it has dissolved very well. Bring Rayco, put in a quarter, a pinch of Rayco into our groundnuts. Mix. Add water. Now, the water you're adding is for boiling the sauce. Put the desirable water depending on the measurement of your sauce. Mine was a quarter. We are going to the fire. We put on fire. Mix. Immediately after putting on fire, put in the onions, all the ingredients. Keep mixing as you cook. Please don't give up on mixing, because when you stop, it will make a thick paste down there, which we don't want, and it will burn down on the saucepan. So keep mixing such that you get a good result. Our sauce has started boiling. Make sure you don't cease mixing. Don't stop, don't cease, because it will pour. And at this moment, when they boil, we are going to reduce on the fire such that our sauce gets ready properly. And reduce the fire. Yeah, continue with the cooking. So we are going to cook at that level. Boil a bit. Later we shall add in a salt. Let it boil a bit more. Then we shall add in a salt. At this point, guys, we put in the salt. keep stirring. Leave the groundnuts on minimal fire as you keep stirring until when they bring out the cream. Oily bit creamish. See that oil, guys. See the look of our groundnut sauce. Look at this sauce, guys. Look at it. Thick, looks delicious, looks just perfect. Well, it is now ready, guys. Ready for eating. Eat whatever food you want with it. Matoke goes better. Cassava, sweet potato, yam, any food, guys. For more of my fun cooking videos, guys, don't forget to always like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you, guys. Ciao.